Hello everyone. So today I wanted to touch on some more programming related stuff on something that's kind of fun. We're going to be talking about data obfuscation, I think how it's pronounced. Basically, we can hide stuff in plain sight. What I have here is just a random screenshot that I don't remember taking in VRChat. So there's nothing particularly crazy about this, but if we use Notepad, Notepad++, Word, Pages, I prefer Notepad++, open it in any text editor. This is what it looks like. It's nothing intelligible to us, but what I like to do, say if we scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and just make sure we're at the end of the line, and we add a new line here, I can type my work, okay. You can type, nya, this is very silly. It really doesn't want to load right now. Okay, there we go. And my face is probably in the way here, so let me move it over. Nope, okay. Here. You could say I've typed in nya, this is very silly. Now, all I have to do is save. Exit out of this here. Actually, well, yeah. So let's exit out of it so there's no tabs on it. That. Now, let's look at this file. It looks the same. There's nothing giving away anything weird going on here. It doesn't look corrupted or anything. There'd be no reason for you to suspect anything suspicious. However, right-click, we open it again in Notepad++, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then I make sure that my face isn't blocking it. You still see, nya, this is very silly. So, this is not the most secure method of doing this. You can actually, like, make a folder and stuff, then get a text document and mix the text document in with the photo as a zip file, then convert the zip file back into an image, and then go through a whole mess of nonsense in order to make it so if you look at the photo, you don't see plain text in the text edit right here. So that's cool. I'll show that another time because that's a lot more complicated. And this is something that you could start doing literally right now. So, word of the wise, don't send this message here, don't send this image through something like Twitter. Twitter will compress this and you'll lose your message. Send it through something like Discord. Discord will not compress the photos. But yeah, I don't know a full list of what does and doesn't compress. I just know don't try it on Twitter because it won't work. But you can send this to someone over Discord. They can download it, edit with Notepad, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and they can see your message. Now, something that's important to not do, don't just start adding new lines and stuff like that. Don't like try and grab this, click X, move it over to here, or anything like that. Because if you start trying to mess with what's pre-existing already, and like changing what is on what line and everything like that, that's when you start getting this. Oh wow, this one actually, so you can see at the very, very bottom right there, there's some errors, it's like dipping down a bit. If we do it further up in this, towards the beginning, right around, say, here, if I grab this chunk to X, then I stick it in the middle right here, and make a change further up towards the top of this image, and then we try and open it again. Now you will see the whole thing's screwed. The whole thing is clustered. It's hella fucked. So yeah, I would recommend sticking towards the very, very bottom of it so you don't accidentally do this to your images. But other than that, that is very basics of data obfuscation. I think it's a lot of fun. and you could enjoy doing it as well. Thank you all very much for watching.